All right, crucial BJP huddle at Chief Nadda's residence. Delhi BJP core group meeting is going to take place at 10:30. We know at the BJP president's residence. Piyush continues to be with us for more on that. Okay, we'll go back to Piyush in a moment from now, but this is a meeting that's taking place. The BJP core leaders from the national capital are going to be in a huddle at the national president JP Nadda's residence at about 10:30 is what we know. It's a meeting to discuss the way forward clearly in the upcoming Delhi elections, the dates for which have been announced already. Piyush, the BJP putting its mind together in how to essentially rout the Aam Aadmi Party from the national capital where they've been in power for 10 years. Is there going to be anti-incumbency, and whether that's going to be costing the Aam Aadmi Party dear? What's going to be the road forward, the strategy, all of that's going to be ironed out today.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. And as we are speaking, this meeting is there at the residence of BJP's national president JP Nadda. This meeting is going to be a very important one because this huddle is taking place right before the BJP's crucial Central Election Committee meeting, which is also to take place today in the evening. So before giving the names to CC, the top leaders of the core group of Delhi BJP is meeting with BJP's national president JP Nadda. There are 49 seats on which the names of our candidates have to be announced. So far, out of 70 constituencies, the BJP has announced the names of 21 candidates. So the meeting is basically taking place to brainstorm over the names of candidates on these 49 remaining seats. After this meet, we can also expect a small briefing coming in from BJP. But yes, this is an important meeting which is underway, and this is also taking place right before the CEC meeting, which is also to take place today in the evening.
All right, Piyush getting in those details as far as that meeting is concerned to start at 10:30 at the residence of JP Nadda.